Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Well, I've got the yard all decorated for Valentine's, so let's take a look around. Well, as you guys can see, I'm all decorated for Valentine's Day. And it's an icy start to February. Let's get a closer look. Here on my gazebo, I've got these pretty hearts, and I've tied them up with some pink ribbons. And I've just put one in each opening of the gazebo. The roof is all covered in icy snow, and my weeping cherries are iced over tonight. I wish I could find the perfect thing to go in the middle, but I just haven't found it yet. I've looked at some things online, some large cherubs and different things, but they're just too dressy, too fancy. I think my little hearts are cutesy. I used to tell my nephew when he was about 4 years old that I wanted him to be my cherub. I would get him a little cloth and he could stand in the center of the gazebo. And he would respond, "Uncle, I don't think so." But he really did look like a cherub. He was blonde with curly hair and big thick eyelashes, and he just wouldn't agree to be my cherub. But one of these days I'll find the perfect thing to go in there for Valentine's. I have a bunny for Easter, but I just gotta look for something to go in the center. The trick is getting up these icy steps. And I keep my candles in the windows year-round upstairs so that I can light them for various holidays. And here on the front door, I have my heart. I made this several years ago. I've just taken a foam heart and put different shades of pink roses. I put the deeper pink on the outside and the pale pink to the center, and tied it up with some sheer pink ribbon. And on my topiaries I have some sheer pink bows as well. You guys stay tuned. I have more Valentine's videos coming. I've decorated my chalet, and I've also got a tablescape and a DIY coming up for Valentine's. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, wishing you a happy Valentine's. Bye-bye now.